Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. You know the drill. Before we begin, make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Today we are diving into the new NYX Cosmetics Ultimate Utopia palette. This is a 40 pan eyeshadow palette that I ordered online from Ulta and it retails for $35. I also want to mention that this new NYX Ultimate Utopia eyeshadow palette contains 22 pressed pigments. So let me give you guys an up-close look at this new Ultimate Utopia palette from NYX Cosmetics. Again, you have eyeshadows in here as well as pressed pigments. Guys, these are gorgeous shades. I mean, look at those glitters, those shimmers in there. Wow, I really love the color scheme in this eyeshadow palette. I think there are so many opportunities to create an array of different looks in here. I think if you want to do something simple, you most definitely can. But if you want to take it up a notch and create something more dramatic, you have all the shades that you need in this palette to create whatever look you are in the mood for. So before I start using this eyeshadow palette, I want to insert some swatches that I did in Sunlight so you guys can see what these are going to look like on a fair to light skin tone. So guys, I'll be creating two different looks for you guys today. I'm even going to put on some false eyelashes because I'm testing out a new product. So if you want to see the looks I create using the new NYX Cosmetics Ultimate Utopia eyeshadow palette, keep on watching. So I've already primed my eyelids using the Too Faced Matte Instant Coverage Concealer, and I use the shade Buttercream. So guys, these are the two looks that I created using the new NYX Cosmetics Ultimate Utopia eyeshadow palette. What do you think of how they came out? I even added some lashes for you guys, which, by the way, stay tuned because my next video is going to be on how I applied these eyelashes because I'm using a new product. So definitely you want to stay tuned for that. But let me give you guys my final thoughts on this new NYX palette. So the first thing that I want to say about this palette is when I was swatching it, I was honestly a little nervous because I didn't like how the matte shades were swatching on my arm. I felt like they were maybe just a little too powdery, but when you apply them on the eyelid, they're a different story. They apply so much better on the eye versus on the arm. And maybe that's because I had the concealer down, or maybe that's just because they're meant for the eye and not for the arm. Whatever it is, I thought that they did a better job on the eye. Now, as far as like the shimmer shades, I would definitely spray a brush, a small little synthetic brush, and apply them that way. I also liked using that small little brush for the pressed glitters. Now, you can easily use your finger. That worked fine. But for me, like to really perfect the look, I thought it was best using that small little synthetic brush. And I think the one I used is from Morphe. I'll have it linked down below so that you guys can maybe check that out in case you're wanting to use a brush instead of your finger. I will say that there is kick up in the pan and there's quite a bit of kick up. That doesn't bother me, but if it bothers you, you're definitely gonna see it in this palette. Now, this is a $35 eyeshadow palette at the drugstore because NYX is a drugstore brand. So I think $35 is a little bit much. I mean, when you think about it, you can get Morphe eyeshadow palettes, and I'm not saying one is better than the other, but you can get Morphe eyeshadow palettes with about the same amount of shades, maybe one or two less. You can get them for like $28, or sometimes maybe you can find it for $20 or $32 even. So I think the price point on this is a little bit high, especially because it is a drugstore brand. And usually, you know, to me, when I think drugstore, I think $20 and under. And I kind of think like anything $20 and over, I don't know, I think that's a little much for the drugstore. But these are pretty decent shadows. I love the color story of this palette. I think that they included a good mix of cool and warm tone shades in here. If you're looking for a new neutral palette with some fun pops of color in here, I would definitely consider this one. I used my Ulta coupon, so I got $3.50 off of it. So that does bring the price down a little bit, makes it a little bit more affordable. Overall, guys, it was a really easy palette to work with. I got a little bit of fallout, but nothing major. I thought that all the shades I used today provided a good amount of pigmentation. They blended out really easily. And yeah, guys, this is a pretty decent NYX palette. So if you're interested in picking it up, I will have it linked in the description box down below. And again, I did pick this up online from Ulta. I also want to mention that the rest of the products that I am using on my face, they will also be linked in the description box down below in case you are interested in purchasing them. I am now part of the Like to Know It squad, so I do have affiliate links now. So I'm able to make a little bit, and when I say a little bit, I mean like maybe $1, $2 commission off of the links that I include. And what I want you to know about these affiliate links, guys, is that I can link to pretty much any product that I want. So there's no incentive for me to favor one brand or one product over the other. It's still business as usual. And guys, just know that if you do choose to buy something from the links that I have here, it all comes back to my beauty stash, and it all just helps me to fund my channel and to keep doing what I love. Guys, I know your time is precious and you can probably be doing a million other things right now, but the fact that you're taking the time to watch this video, it means the world to me. So thank you so much. I hope all of you guys have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. Cheers. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.